Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Resolve AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Resolve AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address resolveai.co and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Resolve AI, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us. But guys, if you have not yet created an account on the Resolve AI, you can simply click on the sign up button to go to our registration process of the Resolve AI. And with that being said, let's sign into our Resolve AI account. Let's click on sign in, and over here you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had created an account on Resolve AI, and enter your password on this section, guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password button. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Resolve AI account's password. And with that being said, guys, there was a mistake. Let's do that again. And that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on sign in or the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Resolve AI account online on your computer. And there, guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.